So a quick glance at using the insert command in SQL. I've written this little function here which inserts. So the syntax is you insert into the table name and you specify the however many fields, comma separated in here. So just Pokemon name, and I've chosen to put the type in. And then the values that are going to go into those fields, and these match up in the same orders, the same position. So whatever goes here is going to go into Pokemon name, whatever goes here is going to go into type 1. And the same as when we're doing a select statement, we use this tuple, and when we do the execution of the SQL, that tuple is sent along with the SQL statements. And you can see that's going to be the Pokemon name, that's going to be what type 1 is, Pokemon name type 1. So I do this execute on it, and then to make it actually stick in the database you need to do connection.commit. So we do this when we're inserting into the database. And then finally at the end, rather than go to any specific page that I've had to remake, I've just said redirect back to the home route. Redirect is another import that you need to add. So that should work just fine. You may wonder, if I just insert Pokemon name and type 1, what about Pokemon ID, which we know is in the table as well? Well, if I have a quick look at the snipping tool, I've just snipped the setup for that Pokemon ID field, and you can see it is auto increment, and it's also the primary key. So it will automatically give it a value which will be the next one along in whatever sequence we're currently running to. Right, so that's pretty much the format of whenever you do an insert into a table. Your little task is going to be to have this as the action of a form. So this route is the action of a form you're going to create, and in that form you can enter values, and they will be put into these here, and it will insert whatever you've typed into the form, the web form that you create. And you'll be able to add heaps of imaginative new Pokemon to this database. Keep it clean.